Thank you for watching this video on the global search and agent search functionality in UVexplorer Server. UVexplorer Server provides a web UI view of your UVexplorer agents. Not only can you manage each agent individually and en masse from UVexplorer Server, but you can view each agent individually and their discoveries, allowing you to view each network map and independent assets. You can also move between networks quickly without having to use a VPN. UVexplorer Server also provides user permissions through the R-BAC, role-based access control. You can create groups and roles, assign permissions, and add users via Active Directory, Azure Active Directory, Google Workspace, and UVexplorer accounts. A powerful feature in UVexplorer Server is the global search function. This search function allows you to search across your network for any term. For this example, we will search for the term HP. UVexplorer Server will display all of the HP devices found on the network. You can filter the results even further to find specific devices. UVexplorer Server will display the networks, agents, and discovery that each device was found in. You can click into these to view that snapshot. Let's go back to the search results. All of the HP devices are listed, and you can select a device to view its details. The device's IP addresses, interfaces, bridge ports, FTP and CDP tables, and all information UVexplorer Server has gathered about the device. And you can export these details to your desktop as a CSV. For clients with a high volume of agents, UVexplorer Server provides you the ability to search for any agent by its name. Enter the term and UVexplorer will display the corresponding agents. This feature helps clients with a high volume of agents to quickly locate the appropriate network. Thank you for watching this video on agent and global search in UVexplorer Server. You can find out more information on network discovery and diagrams at UVexplorer.com.